So I asked, and Litra delivered a portable, waterproof RGB LED with huge changeable batteries that's so much better than any other portable LED light on the market, Pete's not even allowed to touch it. Introducing the LitraStudio. If you're new here, welcome to InGaff. We're professional video makers that make videos about making videos for people who want to make videos and to help you make better videos by making videos about the things that make videos using the things that make videos. And now that that's cleared up, here's the TLDR version. Hands down, it is the best portable LED light that I've ever used. But I get it, you're here for a bit more than that, so sit tight and strap in. The world's most powerful portable RGB WW light for filmmaking is what Litra claimed the LitraStudio to be, and in truth, I don't think they're wrong. In a modest 5x3 inch footprint, they've developed a light that can output a maximum flash of 6,000 lumens. Even in a constant normal operating mode, you get an impressive 2,400 lumens, all from an interchangeable 9,000 mAh battery, which can run for up to 20 hours on the lowest settings. But brightness is meaningless without control and quality color reproduction, and the LitraStudio offers this too. The fully controllable tungsten and daylight LEDs offer a CRR rating of 97 right through the white balance scale of 2000 to 10,000 Kelvin. To match this impressive level of white light, the RGB modes match up to the same specs with a fully controllable RGB HSI mode and a whole host of digital gel and lighting effects. The awesome design and build credentials don't end with the quality of the light either. Taking a look to the back of the unit, you get to see further evidence of LitraStudio's incredible engineering and ergonomics. A bright and easy to navigate OLED display adds to the level of usability not always associated with complicated LED panels. This is flanked with a host of dials and buttons to control all of the light's features. To take the usability a step further, Litra have even developed a Litra app for full smartphone control, and for once with a Camera Gear's smartphone app, it doesn't suck. Right off the bat in my good bits is just how well made this light and all the accessories is. The build quality is incredible and certainly meets up to the asking price. The Litra series of lights are designed to be portable, used on the road and probably in fast-paced run and gun settings, and the LitraStudio continues this trend. And talking of continuing trends, this beast of an LED light is even waterproof, up to 10 meters. Now, unlike when Pete reviewed the Litra Pro recently, I'm not going to demonstrate it being dunked. It's just not how I intend to use it, and I like it way too much to take that risk. Unbelievable. As I hinted at in the specs part of the video, this is an incredibly usable light, both in terms of how easy it is to use, but also the size and ergonomics make it easy to always grab and go with. It's now one of the items of kit that I always take on me at any shoot. It's so super user friendly and portable, discreet but not undersized, that it just feels like the perfect light for filmmakers like us that are often filming in unpredictable or fast-moving settings. Having an easy-to-use and easy-to-carry light of this quality and versatility is actually just enjoyable and ensures that, unlike a lot more fragile and fiddly LED panels, that this light is actually going to get used. Now clearly the LitraStudio is not pocket friendly. It does represent something of a departure from the diminutive Litra Pro and Litra Torch's ergonomics that first brought the Litra brand to everyone's attention. For some, that may be an issue, but in reality this light is a step up in every regard and caters for a different use to those pocket friendly lights of the past. This can comfortably cater for a key light on the go, as well as offering the versatility of hair, fill, or even practical lights all in one 6-inch box. The price point will also make it out of reach for some, which is a shame, as it's so good I'd like to see a lot more people using it. But I would happily say that it's worth every penny of the investment, especially when you paid with Pete's credit card. All in all, the LitraStudio and the available accessories represent a huge step up from this great brand, as they're now catering for more all-encompassing lighting solutions. Best of all, it offers far more quality, versatility, and is far, far bigger and better than Pete's tiny little Litra Pro. For some more information on the LitraStudio, I'll leave some links below. And whilst you're down there, please do consider subscribing and maybe even leaving a comment saying how much better mine is than Pete's. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Mine is just generally loads better though, isn't it? Bigger.